Let's just start at the top and work our way down the list. At the top of your report, there should be a header. Your header should be simple and explain what type of a report it is, like a surveillance report or a background check or a locate investigation, whatever type of investigation that it is. Now, when I say header, I don't mean the header section of the document, like there's the header and the footer, just what is at the top of the document. Within that header information, you should also have the from section. This will have your name, your company name, your address, your phone, your email. It'll also have the date of the report, not the date of the investigation, the date of the report, and it should have a to section including your client's information to include their name, the company name, address, and phone number. Now, number 2 is the subject or the subjects of the investigation. This may be individuals' names or a business name or a quick description or whatever the subject of the investigation was. Number 3 is the assignment details. This is a summary of what the client hired you to do. The investigator's name is number 4 on our list of top 10 things that need to be in your report. Don't assume that whoever is reading it knows that your name is on the top and you were the person who sent the report, wrote the report, and conducted the investigation. Number 5 on our list, moving along quickly here, is the date or the dates of the investigation. Number 6 on our list is the summary of the investigation. This is a quick synopsis of what happened, a quick look at the bullet points, if you will, that gives the reader a good idea of what details they will find in the report. Next, of course, then are the details of your investigation. This gives much more detail of what you did and your findings. Number 8 is a closing comments or a recap statement for your report. Something short and sweet. Don't forget to invite your client to contact you should they need more work conducted. Number 9 is your name and a signature line. Number 10, last but not least, is a disclaimer statement. I usually have this as my actual footer in my document. Number 1 bonus tip is clarity. Your report must be clear and concise, no vague statements. It must be easily understandable. Bonus tip number 2 is proper use of punctuation. This goes along with clarity, obviously. Our 3rd bonus tip is proper grammar and spelling. These tie in closely with the last 2. Make sure you have used good and proper grammar in your reports. Bonus tip number 4, just the facts, folks. Don't put in your opinions in your investigation report, just the facts. Now, if you're considered an expert witness in a specialized field, this might be a little bit different, but for most of us, our investigation reports should include just the facts. Bonus tip number 5, simplicity. Most investigative reports are better off being more simple than complicated. If your investigation report gets too complicated, it can confuse the reader